AI features usually sound impressive in demos, but quietly disappear once people actually try to use them. This time might be different. Google is rolling out a conversational photo editor that lets you edit photos simply by talking to it. No layers, no masks, no learning curve. And unlike many AI tools, this one solves a real problem people already have. Let's break down why this feature matters, how it works, and why it signals the future of AI that normal people will actually use. For years, photo editing has been locked behind complexity. Even easy apps still expect users to know editing terminology, understand sliders and adjustments. Guess which tool fixes which problem? Most people don't want to learn editing. They just want better photos. Fast. That's where most AI tools fail. They're powerful, but they still expect the user to think like an editor. Google's new approach flips that model completely. Instead of clicking tools, you simply say what you want. Examples. Remove the people in the background. Make the sky look more dramatic. Brighten my face, but keep the background natural. Make this photo look more professional. The AI interprets your intent, not just keywords, and applies the edits automatically. No guessing, no technical steps, no tutorials required. This is photo editing at the level of human conversation, not software manuals. This feature works because it hits 3 critical adoption factors most AI tools miss. 1. It eliminates cognitive load. Users don't need to know how editing works, only what result they want. That's the difference between AI as a novelty and AI as infrastructure. 2. It fits existing behavior. People already talk to their phones, they already take photos. This adds 0 friction to habits they already have. 3. The value is immediate. No setup, no prompt engineering, no trial and error. You see results instantly, which builds trust and repeat usage. That's why this matters. AI adoption doesn't come from power, it comes from effortlessness. For businesses, this kind of tool is quietly revolutionary. It means better product photos without hiring editors, faster social content creation, consistent visual quality across teams, less dependency on complex software. Small businesses, solo creators, and marketers gain something that used to require skill, time, or budget. This isn't replacing professional editors, it's replacing friction. And that's exactly why people will keep using it. Google's conversational editor isn't just a photo feature, it's a preview of where AI is heading. The future of AI tools looks like this: fewer interfaces, more natural language, less training, more outcomes. The winners won't be the tools with the most features. They'll be the ones that feel invisible. If Google's conversational editor shows where things are heading, here are AI photo and video tools you can use today to improve your business content. AI Photo Tools 1. Adobe Firefly and Photoshop. iBest for brands that need commercial-safe image generation, AI-powered background removal, generative fill for product and lifestyle images. Firefly is designed for business use, not just experimentation. 2. Canva AI, ideal for social media graphics, thumbnails, ads, and presentations. Its AI tools help with background removal, image expansion, instant design resizing. This is AI for speed and consistency. 3. Luminar Neo Perfect for portrait enhancement, real estate photos, marketing visuals. It automates professional-grade edits without requiring professional skills. AI video tools. 1. Runway Excellent for AI video editing, object removal, background replacement. This is especially powerful for short-form video and branded content. 2. Descript Best for video podcasts, tutorials, talking head content. You edit video by editing text, one of the most practical AI workflows available. 3. Synthesia and HeyGen, ideal for training videos, explainers, internal communications. These tools let businesses create professional videos without cameras, studios, or presenters. AI doesn't win by being impressive. It wins by being useful without effort. Google's conversational photo editor shows that the future isn't about learning AI. It's about AI learning you. And the businesses that adopt these tools early won't look more techy. they'll just look more professional. For more information on these useful AI tools, click on the links in the video description. And if you want more breakdowns on AI tools that actually help real businesses, subscribe and stay ahead of the curve.